AI tools to restore old photos by one click. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, head to your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for AI photo restore. Now open up the first website. Now upload your photo. Now tap on restore. Now scroll down a bit. Now next to download, tap on AI colorize. Now select the factor and tap on colorize. Now wait for some time until the processing is completed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.